My cracked one. Moment of truth.
Okay, let's make the cookies. The first thing you would need is softened butter. So this butter had been sitting out, it's at room temperature, so it's going to be really nice and soft. And I will put the measurements that I used. I'll link it down in the description below. And I got this recipe from another YouTube video. I'll link it. And you're supposed to put half a teaspoon of salt. Well, I got a little excited and I sort of rushed that, and I literally put 1 teaspoon, but it actually tasted pretty good. Yeah, so that's what's going on. And you just mix it together. I didn't want to use my hands, so yeah, I pulled out my stainless mixer. Okay, the next thing is the powdered sugar, which I will put a link to that right here. It's going to be at the top right hand corner. Be sure to check out how to make this at home, guys. You do not have to go to the store and buy this, especially during this time when things are on low supply. You can literally make this powdered sugar by yourself at home. It's also called icing sugar or confectioner's sugar. Used to make icing and whatever else, powdered sugar, for donuts and stuff. Anyways, so yes, I made this and the video is there, so check it out. Anyways, and I put that in there, and I'm not sure why I put a little extra. Probably why it was a little sweet. I was supposed to just put the amount that was directed, so I think next time I'm just gonna put a touch less of the sugar, but it was still perfect. I mean, honestly, it was really great still. Alright, here I am just putting my vanilla extract. You can use imitation vanilla, whichever one, and it just gave it a little hint, and it was great. It was absolutely great. Next is powder. So just measuring it out here. I'm not a professional baker, so yeah, just bear with me. So the description again to how much needs to be in there will be, or the measurements will be in the description below. So you just want to make sure that you put in the flour little by little so that the stand mixer has a chance to sort of really get it mixed and incorporated into your dough that you are creating currently. Okay, look at that crumbly goodness. At least I thought this is what it was supposed to look like. From the videos I watched, some of it looked like this, so yeah. So sort of like sand, I think. Anyways, I'm not sure, but hey guys, this is the first time I'm making this, by the way. I'm not sure if I said this earlier, but yeah, this is the first time, so let's see if I was successful in my craft. It seemed nice and crumbly. And for those out there that may be wondering, I literally sanitized my entire countertop beforehand, so I would be able to, roll my dough right on the countertop if I really wanted to. So just FYI for those out there. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down there, and also hit the notification bell so that when I post, you'll be able to see my videos. Okay, sorry, enough rambling. Back to the video now. So here you're just supposed to mold everything together. I was just amazed at the amount of, I guess, butter that was on my hand there, but I don't know what I was expecting. I mean, it's butter and sugar and a little bit of flour. Anyway, you're supposed to mold it as much as possible and knead it together. I don't think that I was doing a great job, and I figured maybe it was the saran wrap, so I just went straight to the countertop. And I mean, I got some things. So the goal here is to mold it adequately till it forms whatever shape it is that you were trying to form. So yeah, let's just see how I did here. And you see my little guests and my little visitors, so enjoy. Alright, now I molded as much as my little hands will let me mold. So now it's time to refrigerate this dough. You are supposed to put it in the fridge till it's nice and hard, and makes it so much easier for you to cut it up in whatever shape that you want it to. One of the videos that I watched had said that they actually cheated a little bit and put it in the freezer. So I guess that's a way that you could do it. But either way, I just kind of wrapped it up and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then brought it back out and just chopped it into the shapes that I wanted. I was cutting that thing like my little life depended on it. That's so crazy funny. You see that crack in my dough? Yeah, you don't want that. You want to have a nice, folded, smooth dough. That was a snafu, and I didn't want to have to go back in the fridge, or I just, I guess I was being lazy. I'm not too sure why, but yeah, all those cracks and crevices and craters. If you are making yours, try to make sure that you have a nice, smooth dough. That would be key to making it look pretty. Now, I wasn't really worried about making it look pretty. I just wanted to at least try it out. You can see that crack there again. I got the kids busy and involved, so gave them a piece of dough to just go to town, and we also would be baking those. So yeah, that's something you can do with the kids and just kind of keep them active, especially during this period when we're all kind of bored and trying to figure out what to do. Okay, here we baked them at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and then sort of checked on them again and baked them for another 10 to 12 minutes. I'm just trying to feel to see if they are pretty done. They weren't as firm as I expected, but then again, it was still pretty warm here. So I figured I'll just wait a little bit more. I just kind of stacked them in the rack to kind of cool down a little bit. See, it's nice and brown at the bottom of it. So, so far they're looking sort of like McVitie's, a little deformed. They're the redheaded stepchild. And here I am just kind of looking at the texture of it, and it actually looks just like it. Like, yeah, focus, there you go. Oh, that looks delicious. Let's try it out. Check out the masterpieces my babies made.
Oh. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely dude. Oh my gosh. It tastes just like McVitie's. I can taste a little bit of the salt, because remember I added a little bit more than I should have. But other than that, oh my gosh, it's absolutely perfect. Like, mmm. Oh my goodness. You guys, totally try this. Of course, watch lots of videos. Mold your dough pretty well. No cracks and crevices and things like that. But other than that, this is absolutely amazing and so easy. Guys, make sure you follow this recipe. Link me, comment down below. Let me know how you guys like it and how it turns out, and even send me pictures on Instagram if you can. It's the same name that is on Instagram. So send me pictures of what this looks like. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely... I'm not buying this anymore. I'm making it now. Oh Lord. It's so good. Thanks guys for hanging with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks.